Today I'm going to try to make a snowboard bench for my Subaru. I'll start out with this hitch mount. Usually goes in this way, but it can go this way. I'm going to put it this way, mount a snowboard on top of it, slide it into my Subaru. Using an old snowboard, I will have a bench to put my boots on, hang out, party. I built this bench for the back of my Subaru. I'm so stoked on it. So excited. This GNU snowboard was a longtime friend of mine. Hate to give it up. And now I've repurposed it for something else. Very excited. Very cool. Love it. When I do a project like this, it reminds me of my grandfather, and that makes me happy. Build something that doesn't exist. That makes me happy too.